Hello बच्चों, let's read this question. Question says, given the following data, here substance enthalpy of formation in kilojoule per mole and entropy in joule per mole per Kelvin is given. For FeO, it is equals to minus 266.3 and 57.49. For carbon graphite, it is equals to 0 and 5.74. For iron solid, it is 0 and 27.28, and for carbon monoxide minus 110.5 and plus 197.6. Determine at what temperature the following reaction is spontaneous. FeO solid plus carbon graphite gives Fe solid plus carbon monoxide gaseous. Here options are 298 Kelvin, 668 Kelvin, 966 Kelvin, and del G is positive, hence the reaction will never be spontaneous. तो हमको इसमें कैलकुलेट करना है कि कौन से टेम्परेचर पर जाकर रिएक्शन स्पॉन्टेनियस हो जाएगी. सो दिस इज द गिवन डेटा एंड वी कैन राइट आर की कॉन्सेप्ट दैट इज फॉर स्पॉन्टेनियस रिएक्शन del G must be negative. So if the del G is negative here, then we can calculate that firstly we know that del G is equals to del H minus T del S. So here in this the data of change in enthalpy and the entropy is given. So firstly we will write the change in enthalpy of reaction. So that here the change in enthalpy of reaction, it is equals to enthalpy of product side summation of enthalpy of product side minus summation of enthalpy of reactant side. Now the data is given, so we can write at product side here iron and carbon monoxide is present. For iron solid, it is enthalpy is given as 0, and for carbon monoxide the value is given as minus 110.5. So we can write here minus 110.5 minus at reactant side for carbon graphite it is equals to 0, and for iron oxide that is equals to minus 266.3. So it is minus 266.3. So from here the enthalpy of reaction comes out to be 155.8 kilojoule per mole. Now same as we can calculate entropy. So that del S, that means entropy of reaction, it is equals to entropy of product minus summation of entropy of product minus summation of entropy of reactant. So at product side the values for iron and carbon monoxide is 27.28 and 197.6. So we can write 27.28 plus 197.6 minus, and at reactant side here iron oxide and carbon graphite is present, so we can write 57.49 plus 5.74. So from here we can calculate entropy of reaction. This is comes out to be 161.65 joule per mole. Now if we take the Gibbs free energy change for a reaction that is equals to 0, then we can write that del H is equals to T del S. So from here temperature comes out to be del H divided by del S. Now we have the value, so we can write temperature is equals to the value of del H is given in kilojoule per mole. So we can write here it is equals to 155.8 multiplied by 10 to the power 3 joule per mole. Now we can substitute the value here, 155.8 multiplied by 1000 here divided by the value of change in entropy of reaction, that is equals to 161.65. So this will comes out to be 964 Kelvin. Now this is the temperature of 964 Kelvin for when the reaction is, then the change in Gibbs free energy is 0. We need change in Gibbs free energy here negative, so that we can write here that above 964 Kelvin, the given reaction is spontaneous. Now in this question it is given that here option 966 is greater than 964, hence option C will be the correct choice for this question. Hope you understood it well. All the best and thank you.